Coming into Amalia Gorge, this is the track. It's quite demanding rock climbing track to climb up, and we're following these little things, little blue things, and sometimes they can be hard to find. So, but it's very, very steep, and no doubt worth it. Big surprise at the end. But this is the country we've sort of got to get across. Looks blue markers just over there somewhere. Well, Amalia Gorge is well worth coming in, and right now we're the only ones here having a bit of lunch. And yeah, coming across there was just amazing. Very slippery rock, so you can't really climb out at the moment. Not for me anyway. Some people can, but yeah, beautiful here. That's where I've just come from, and it's absolutely beautiful walk along here. Swimming holes all the way. So when you get hot, jump in, and yeah, amazing, amazing. Alright, so we just hopped up to Champagne Springs. This is our biggest walk at Questro. It's a grade 5, looks like it's a 10k round trip, so we're pack prepared for it. And it looks like there's a thermal pool at the end, and some rapids and some waterfalls. So it's got it all, but it's a fair walk. So we're on our way. Level 5 walk was pretty difficult actually. Pretty challenging in terms of climbing up and over rocks, but we're about a couple of k's in of about a 10k round trip. So you can see the level of rocks and the tracks just down there. I can just see the little pink thing in the tree, so you've got to go through all that, and that's what it's like most of the way. Maybe 3 k's in, 2.5 k's. Funny, not funny, but my feet got stuck in that slush pit. I think I got bitten by a leech, and it didn't hurt. I mean, it didn't tickle. Little slimy little bugger. Nice walk. This is a paperbark tree that was pointed out earlier, but you can see it's like glad wrap or foil. It's just easy to peel, and the indigenous wrap their food in it and their barramundi, and they smoke their barramundi in paperbark tree, and they preserve things. I'm filming Heather coming across here because she'll show us how it's done. I did it very poorly, but she's quite elegant on the water. Just feel like you're absolutely in the middle of nowhere here, because there's just no sign of a track really, apart from some small little markers, and there's just no one to be seen. And we're on the way to a gorge called Champagne Falls or Champagne Springs, and they fly people in for helicopter, so it's about $2,500 per person to go in there. So we're saving money by walking, but it's very enjoyable. Quite just wow. This is ridiculous, it's insane. So this looks like a pretty nice spot to swim to me. for lunch, having the opportunity to have a beer. Again, only ones here, probably for the last 45 minutes we've been here swimming and just playing around. Very, very cool, having some lunch and enjoying a couple of these.